know the game. Are you ready?
Getting stage time. Is this a canon event?
Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, 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 yeah.
And we're on.
Let's go ahead.
What are you most excited about?
What am I most excited about? The ladies.
And what about you, Jeremiah?
Oh, you know me.
Windmill, windmill for the land, hand in hand. Take it all, live on your stride. It is
We're finally in so many people.
It's gorgeous.
What do you see? Oh.
What?
Oh.
They not like us.
Here we go, off the rails. Don't you know it's time to raise our sails? It's freedom like you never knew.
Good morning, Japan. Yesterday was quite a bit of a long day. Everyone was slumped. I mean, these people were like falling asleep while they were walking. But the teacher's like, no, we must go out tonight and we must walk through the towns. And I was like, okay.
He was a skater boy, she said, see.
We're gonna make history. This is gonna be an awesome trip. Let's get out of here. You know what happens in elevators? Really tight spaces.
Somebody
Us three.
farts.
I don't know, one of these.
Is this a canon event?
No cameras. Oh, yeah. Hey, look at the camera. Hey. That view.
I know a lot about that guy.
Who?
That's great, Sonata.
Tell me. Educate me.
He was a Japanese dude.
No, educate the viewers.
Oh, yeah. Japanese dude.
Yeah, but what did he do?
You're Japanese?
But yes. What did he do with his life?
Japanese dude who lived a very happy life.
No, but like, what did he do differently? You don't know anything about him.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yes, John. Okay, let's find some spots to do some flips.
Permanece a la escucha. Permanece a la escucha.
12 de la noche en La Habana, Cuba.
11 de la noche en San Salvador, El Salvador.
Push me, you butthead.
I'm sorry, are you okay?
Butt fart.
Excuse me, what'd you just call me?
You're a butt fart.
Huh? Anyone home in there?
Butt fart, fart, fart.
Yeah.
Butt fart,
We're
fart,
gonna
fart.
make up and kiss.
Butt fart,
100%.
fart.
We're gonna kiss.
Me gusta viajar, me gustas tú, me gusta.
Are we climbing anywhere, or is it just gonna be...
No, this shrine is like the entire. There's even like red crosses.
Oh, so we are going up the mountain.
Not all the way, halfway.
But like, we're allowed to run up if we want.
It's like your responsibility to get back here on time. So
Oh, so it's a challenge.
We're not making it up.
Right there, path.
12, un minuto.
Me gusta la cena, me gustas tú.
We did not make it to the top. My timer went off on my phone and I noticed I had 15 minutes to get back. Or so I thought. I'm running back down the mountain, telling Jeremiah we have to sprint. Keep in mind, we're already exhausted from running up this thing. And now I'm telling him that we have to get back to the bus in 15 minutes? Tell me how you feel. Dashing through the trees, all I can think about is whether I'll make it there in time. Knowing full well that checking the clock every 20 seconds is not going to make the time go by any faster. So I focus. Each step on the rocky ground is precise as a chemist. Finally, we make it to the bottom of the shrine, and I see our teacher waiting for us. He was not impressed. We didn't actually have 15 minutes to get back. We had 5. As we race the bus, a railway crossing stops us in our tracks. I look left and right across the railway and see no train coming. It must have been broken. 2 minutes go by. Nothing. I text the Japan group chat and say, on our way. Every 30 seconds, I receive a new notification reacting to my message with an angry emoji, a thumbs down, a rolling eyes emoji, every disappointed emoji you can think of. At the same time, Jeremiah and I are getting lectured by our teacher about how irresponsible we are. 6 minutes go by. nothing. This railway is bugged. After what felt like a century, a train finally passed and we sprinted to the bus. The moment Jeremiah and I set our foot on that bus, a whoosh of roaring boos pierced through our ears. We messed up. Good morning, Japan. It has been an awesome couple days. Last night, we got a couple people in the room. We're trying to do a little movie night. No movie night, we just watched some of the fantastic Japanese shows that were on the TV, which were really funny. Okay guys, people are still... still sleeping, so we should really bring it down a notch, okay? So, John, how was the breakfast?
It's alright. It's really light.
Light for you, maybe.
Welcome back to my vlog. Today we're, actually I don't know where we're at. Pretty girls just make me nervous.
What?
Look at the cherry blossoms.
Crazy. Okay. I actually don't know where we are going.
There's another car.
All I know
Ethan.
is that we are in the unknown. And that is what adventure is all about. And there's no danger, there's no risk. Then is it an adventure? No. No.
My inner demons, they take control of me every day.
There's nothing. What do they tell you?
You know, be a butcher, I guess.
Whoa.
What are you cutting?
What am I cutting?
Are you a murderer?
No, I'm not a
Did you
murderer.
just admit that you're a murderer?
No, I don't murder. You're screaming that, by the way.
What do your inner demons say to you?
They tell me to open the windows.
So how was your tea ceremony experience?
Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. My tea, it was really good. It was bitter, but it was actually really yummy. It tasted a lot different than Starbucks because it didn't have any sugar in it.
A riveting experience, to say the least. Also, snacks finished before tea. Yes. And then we do our snacks, and before we drink the tea, we do a little bit of a meditation.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Nothing. No, nothing. Keep going.
Hi.
The host must drink
You're ruining my shot.
with the image towards them to show that we show our humility, and then she shows her respect towards us.
Okay. Couldn't have said it better myself. Good work, Ariana.
Thank you, Ethan.
It's literally Gucci.
I make $15 an hour.
You think I could rock that?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Let's go.
Hey guys, we're at a temple and we have a little thing in our ear. It sounds like that. I know you can't hear it. We're on channel number...
It sounds like that.
It sounds like that. And we can hear him all in our ears. The guy over there. What's this guy doing?
Oh, you're right. This is the big shot.
It's like tofu.
That was a chicken nugget. You just put it in the...
No, you guys are good. Hey, this malice, all that you have. No compassion for me.
Not for you.
Malice fills you.
What are you yapping about?
Good morning, Japan. And the day has started, boys. You excited? So, what are we gonna start with?
That's right. Touching each other.
Ariana, look at this. Look at the snowball he's got. That was really craving the caramel whipped cream frappuccino. Ariana, come here. I'm watching you. Oh.
Please subscribe. Get you ready? Get you ready? Get you ready?
Yep. Keep pretending it's the first. It's not the first one. Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today, I don't know where we are. We're Chalky something.
Hey
guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today, Smitus. We're gonna get smitus.
We did a light meditation for 20 minutes. And there might have been a couple of us
You don't want to know.
who fell asleep.
I would never. I did not do that.
Where?
Would you call me little fart face?
Hey, at least I'm not a bidet.
Okay, ass wipe.
Shut up, goofy brain.
Okay. Breather. Ooh.
No, I'm not. No.
That's what our mouth reader would say. Literally, that's what our mouth.
This is fancy. Dude, we have 2 bathrooms. Hi. John, the bath will fit you. Hi. I'm a little dive roll.
Ah! No, okay.
Come on, this part's often.
That's not great. Guys, look at my vlog. Today we are looking through this place, which is very sacred. Sitting here on top of this mountain.
Shut up, Tim. It just makes me think. And now nothing really matters.
Think about all the things that matter. Hey guys, go back to my vlog.
Big city, guys.
Always wanted to come to the city, Papa. Never thought I would experience it. Papa, I love the city.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves.
Welcome back to my vlog, guys.
Oh,
Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. Today we are in Tokyo, Japan.
This is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves. And everybody's watching her, but she's looking at
Do you want to go up there? Good morning, Japan. So yesterday was a fantastic day.
Good afternoon, Japan.
Good afternoon, Japan.
Ethan, wipe your face.
Booyah, Tokyo.
Is it all over my face?
No, just this.
There is Jeremiah, and there is Good morning, Japan. Good morning, Japan. Goodbye, Japan. It is the last day today, and today we will be going back on the plane and heading all the way home. It's been an amazing time. Thank you so much. And if you want to see more videos like this, comment down below.
Sorry, are you cooking out all your grades? How old are you? What grade are you in?